Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this final filler. This filler will fill the last two spots in the main. So we're looking for the top two spots here. We are live 238. List here 10 entries. Bruno on the top, Sheldon on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 9 times at 239. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've gone 8 times. Got Bruno on the top. We must go 9. Good luck wish coming your guys' way at 238. 238. Last and final roll. Top 2 spots advance to the main. Congratulations goes to Pete and Alan. Congratulations, you two. Go ahead and pick, well actually Pete, just pick your spot, and then Alan, I'll just fill yours in. You get the last spot. We are done at 239. 239. Congratulations, you two. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing, everyone. For those that won, I'll see you in the main. Take care.